Hello, Smart Kids. I'm Zuppy. Zuppy, Zuppy, Zuppy. Smartkidszups. Subscribe. Making an art with Zuppy. Hello, Smart Kids. Today Zuppy wants making an art. Come on, follow Zuppy. Let's go inside. Welcome to Making an Art with Zuppy. Playtime.
Hi, I'm Ari. I love to come up with big ideas, especially when we get ideas from nature about how to build something new. Like this maple seed. When I see it fall, it reminds me of the spinning top of a helicopter. I wonder if that's where the idea came from. Why don't we use ideas from nature to build a fun new vehicle? Let's do it! Ready? Let's imagine and build a vehicle. A vehicle is something that helps us move from one place to another. The first thing to add is a body for your vehicle. Take a look at all these choices. You can choose an animal to inspire the body of your vehicle. Tap something to see what that part will look like on your vehicle. High off the ground. Horses have high bodies on long legs. This means they can run and jump over even the roughest ground. Let's add something else to the vehicle. Click the plus sign to add a new part. You can add one more thing to the vehicle, or you can test it. Helicopter blade. The seeds of a maple tree spin as they fall. Solar panel. Plants get energy from the sun. Solar panels can also be used to get energy from the sun that can power your vehicle. Clawed wheels. Bears are good at climbing because their long hooked claws give them an amazing grip. Continue. Great job! You built your first vehicle inspired by nature. Choose a place to see how well your vehicle moves. Then tap the check mark. Grassy. Continue. Now it's time to test your vehicle. We can see how well it does here. What did you think would happen? Way to engineer a vehicle! Let's take a look at how you built your vehicle. Click on a part of your vehicle to find out more about it. The solar panel uses the sun's energy to give us power. This high body is good for moving across this land. These wheels grip the ground really well on this kind of land. Continue. You can create a new vehicle. Create a vehicle. Press me to hear more. Boat. Sail. Balloons. Paddle wheel. Continue. Continue. Deep water. Sandy. Deep water. Continue. Wow, look at it go! Wow, that is so cool! Wind blows into the sail and helps push the vehicle. Boats are hollow, light, and float on the water. Paddle wheels are great for moving through the water. Continue. Home. Create a vehicle. Lightweight. Hang glider. Helicopter blades. Landing gear. Continue. Continue. Air. Continue. Wow, look at it go! Wow, that is so cool! The landing gear tucked in, making the body streamlined. The spinning blades help lift the vehicle up into the air. This light body makes flying easier. Continue. Create. Low to the ground. Hang glider. Helicopter blades. Sail. Hang glider. Balloons. Continue. Continue. Water and land. Continue. Wow, look at it go! It made it! Balloons work well on flying or water vehicles. Continue. Create a vehicle. Streamlined. Sail. Hang glider. Helicopter blades. Solar panel. Balloons. Continue. Deep water. Continue. Zoom! Why do you think this vehicle can move so easily? Way to engineer a vehicle! Continue. Edit vehicle. Change the parts of your vehicle here. Solar panel. Helicopter blade. Sail. Continue. Continue. Edit. Wow, look at it go! Way to engineer a vehicle! Continue. Edit vehicle. Create. Heavy. Solar panel. Wheels. Caterpillar tracks. Continue. Continue. Rocky. Continue. Our vehicle might not make it. It made it! Continue. Change environment. Edit vehicle. Change. Rocky. Sandy. Continue. Wow, look at it go! Woohoo! Edit vehicle. Continue. This body is really heavy. Continue. Edit vehicle. Heavy. Low to the ground. Continue. 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 What did you think would happen? It made it! Continue. Edit vehicle. Create. Heavy. Hang glider. Sail. Helicopter blades. Solar panel. Wheels. Caterpillar tracks. Clawed wheels. Continue. Continue. Rocky. Continue. Wow, look at it go! Woohoo! It made it to the finish line! Continue. Create. Streamlined. Hang glider. Flippers. Continue. Continue. Deep water. Continue. Zoom! Why do you think this vehicle can move so easily? Woohoo! It made it to the finish line! Continue. Edit. Change environment. Change deep water. Water and land. Continue. Wow, look at it go! It made it! Continue. Change environment.
Congratulations, you finished making an art with Zuppy. You are Smartkidszups.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, Smartkidszups.